Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, no audio output device is installed error fix in Windows. Click Start, Settings. Type devmgmt.msc in Run. Click Computer Name. Click Action tab. Click Add Legacy Hardware. Click Next. Check Install the hardware that I manually select from a list. Click Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Select Realtek. Select Realtek High Definition Audio. Click Next to continue. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.